back to another vlog. I just received my Stanley in the mail, but I'm not gonna open it just yet because I want to film an unboxing. And I just got this package in the mail from Walmart. I mean, I think it's Walmart anyways because they DM'd me a few days ago saying that they wanted to send me a Barbie care package, which I'm really excited about. So I'm gonna open it right now. Let's see what's inside. Aww, it has a card with my name on it. That is so sweet. Yep, Wally World. Says, hi Angel, we couldn't help but notice that you're a fan of Barbie. Here are some of her favorite Walmart picks for you to enjoy this summer. From the pink carpet to your home, welcome to Barbie's Walmart. We hope you enjoy. Your friends at Walmart. Oh, bitch, that is so sweet. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay. Oh, no they didn't. Is this pickleball racket? Oh my God, this is so perfect. Is this a pickleball? Yes, it is. It's a pickleball starter kit. Oh my God, they know me so well. This is so cute. Ooh, I've been needing one of these. A rose quartz roller. Some rose eye gel patches. String lights. I love string lights. Ooh, a little fanny pack. How cute is this? And a ring light. This was so sweet.
What flavor is it?
Kid made. I don't know. Is it like lemonade? Because it says Kid made. I'm gonna try this for the first time. It doesn't really have much flavor. It's a little sweet.
Kind of like a white monster, right?
Yeah.
Not like the same taste, but the same concept, right? It's like white monster. It doesn't really have a flavor, but it's just like a sweet.
Yeah, my husband said it tastes similar to a white monster, which I agree with. There's no real flavor. It's just a little sweet. But I feel the energy. Woo! Ready to work out. And then we might go play some pickleball after. I'm wearing my new fanny pack. Thanks, Walmart. And we got a new cookie that we're gonna try after our workout. I thought we were gonna eat it before, but my husband wants to wait. Let me show you. Yeah, he said we have to earn it. This is the cookie. He said the owner lives in Texas. It's called Chunky Fit Protein Cookie, and we got the flavor Cookie Monster. It's a blue cookie. They had a bunch of different flavors in the store, but they all looked really good, and they have 28 grams of protein, and it's pretty big. We came to Michael's because I saw they have the fake leaf that I've been wanting to get for my UGC videos here. And it's on sale. It's only like $1 something. I think I found it. It's Friday and I'm about to start filming another UGC video. I plan to film, edit, and submit this today. And then I'll be done for the week. I'm about to get the product shot and I'm using the leaf I got yesterday. So this is how it looks with it and this is without. I think it looks really good, but I'm definitely gonna have to play around with it and see what the best angles are when I use it. After I do this, I just need to edit the video, add a voiceover, and then I'll be done. It's Monday. I didn't create any content this weekend, but I have a lot planned for this week because we're going out to Rhode Island on Friday and we're going to be out there for a few days visiting my in-laws. So my plan is to batch film some content for this week so I don't have to worry about not having anything to post while we're out there. I just washed my hair. I'm about to style it and I've been using my Stanley all weekend. It's been coming in handy since we've been playing pickleball because it's 40 ounces and it's bigger than my other water bottle that I had. About to unbox my Skims order. Dun, 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 dun.
When not say pickle, you'll say
ball,
pickle.
ball,
Pickle.
ball. We're on our way to meet Alexis and her boyfriend to play pickleball. They're coming to meet us this time. The last 2 times we went out where they live. It just got done raining, so hopefully the court is fine to play on. We had a good little leg day. I tried on my Skims bra and I only ended up liking one of them, so I'm gonna return the other 2. Come to find out, she charges $6 just to make a return, whereas I feel like most places have free returns, like Shein always had free returns. I don't order from them anymore, but I remember they always had free returns. So when I was setting up my return, there was a prompt to get a full refund on this site as credit, or to get a refund to your card minus the $6 shipping fee. So I thought that was a little funny, especially with Kim. Like, I wouldn't think that she would be charging $6 for a return, but I mean, it makes sense. She's taking everyone's money somehow, right? I was tempted to get store credit and maybe try out some shirts, but I just can't bring myself to buy a $40 shirt. I just can't. So, Marshall's it is. All right, ready?
Yeah, let's smoke their asses. Like you're trying to smoke it.
Let's get in this paddle. That's pretty scary. Oh, does it get a paddle on it? Yeah, once it starts to angle that, that's just powerful.
I just got this package from Kiehl's. I guess today is National Avocado Day. I didn't know there was such a thing. It says slice it open while it's ripe before July 31st, which is today. Happy National Avocado Day. Avocado eye cream and avocado face mask. Murad sent me their acne sulfur mask. I'm about to shoot some content with it. They want me to use it 3 times and show the before and after, so I'm about to use it for the first time right now. The mask feels nice. Now I just need to wait 10 minutes, and I need to be better about masking more often. I feel like I go through phases, especially with my acne prone skin. I should be a lot more consistent with them. I hope it clears my skin up because I have a lot of breakouts going on. I'm about to film some content for this mascara by Benefit. I haven't used it yet, so let's see how good this is. It says fanning and volumizing, and it's 24-hour, smudge proof, and water resistant. I haven't been wearing mascara lately, but I always love how my lashes look when I do. I feel like I need to start wearing it more often. It's Thursday. I just finished filming some content and I tried this Milk Hydro Grip primer for the first time. This has been viral on TikTok and they sent me it, so I'm trying it out all day, and first impressions, it's really nice. It made my skin look really good, and it's actually really sticky, which makes sense. It's gonna make your makeup stay in place all day. I also just filmed a video for the Kosas Brow Pop Nano. This just came out and I used it on my brows. My brows are nice and full, so I just use it on the tail, but I really like how it looks. We leave for Rhode Island tomorrow, so I prepped my nails. I think I'm gonna do them tonight, and then I need to start packing. But right now, I'm about to film a hairstyle. It's the double clip viral hairstyle that's been going around. So instead of just using 1 clip, you use 2. I went and made my Marshalls and Skims return earlier today. I picked up this top when I went to Marshalls. It was only $14.99. And I can see myself wearing this for pickleball. I was looking to see if they had any matching bottoms, but they didn't. I ordered these shorts off of Amazon to go with it. I think it'll look so cute. Alexis showed me these. Apparently they're Free People dupes. I got them in white and the color pink. The hairstyle came out really cute. I'm gonna wear my hair like this to the gym and to pickleball. I'm gonna end the vlog here so I can get my packing done and start on my nails. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and following me on all social platforms. I'll see you next week in Rhode Island.